All right, you guys, these are your ingredients. You will need a zucchini. You will also need some Rayo's homemade sauce. I use the tomato basil sauce. You can use whichever you want from this brand. You will also need some fresh mozzarella. I forgot to show you guys, but we also need some whole milk ricotta cheese. And this is optional, mozzarella shredded cheese as your finishing touch. And then your last ingredient would be some baby spinach, and it tastes really good. Also, the last thing you will need would be a lasagna pan. All right, you guys, so here I'm just gonna wash my zucchini really good. You guys can use how many zucchinis you want other than the other ingredients. I just have to use a specific amount because of my meal plan. But right here, I'm just showing you guys, I already washed my zucchini, so it is nice and clean. All right, what you wanna do next is cut the ends off of your zucchini and then cut your zucchini in half. Once you cut your zucchini in half, you wanna cut them into thin strips or slices, just like that. And just set them to the side, and then I'll show you guys what's next. Alright, the next step that you will need is a strainer, and this is why. You need to add all your zucchini pieces inside of your strainer. So what you will need is some pink Himalayan salt. I went ahead and bought some more at Sprouts. That's why I have this big bag full of pink Himalayan salt. So what you want to do is just grab some pink Himalayan salt and sprinkle all over your zucchini slices. What this does is it just releases a lot of excess water that the zucchini comes with. So you're just going to let it sit there for 15 minutes. And then I'll show you the next step. Alright, so the next step here is you need some paper towels. So get your paper towel roll out and get some paper towels. So I just like to go around the paper towel roll and then just rip some off and then kind of fold it and then just leave it on top of your cutting board. Alright, once your 15 minutes are up, you just want to get your zucchinis out of the strainer and just line them up on the paper towels. So this is what you're gonna do. Just line all your zucchini on the paper towels. Then you're just gonna get more paper towels and just blot the zucchini. Just blot them with the paper towels, and that's gonna release all the excess water that the zucchini had. And that way you don't have a soggy lasagna. So this is what you're gonna do. Alright, so now you need your baking dish. What you want to put first is you're going to add your Rayo's tomato sauce. I'm going to use my sauce and put that first inside. So make a small thin layer of that. Just spread it in there. Next, you want to layer it up with some spinach. with some of the zucchini slices. Then you get your ricotta cheese and you're just gonna spread it on top of your zucchini. It's okay if it's not perfect or even, just spread some on top. So next, you're just gonna get your fresh mozzarella cheese and just sprinkle it on top. Just keep sprinkling some. So now that I showed you the first steps, what you're gonna do is just keep layering it and repeating the same steps over and over again. So once you've layered all of your lasagna into this dish, what you want to do is just sprinkle some of that mozzarella cheese, and what you're going to do is just place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for 30 minutes. Then your lasagna is ready to eat. You guys, so here I just took my lasagna out of the oven. It's so nice and bubbly. This is one of the best keto dishes I've made so far, and I hope you guys try out this recipe. Make sure to always like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rivera Family of 5. Until next time, bye.